The power of self-branding. Carve a niche for yourself. Now, when we talk about self-branding, we're talking about your authentic self. This is a unique combination of your skills, values, and your personality traits. A signature that defines you as a person, what you stand for as a person, as an individual. Who are you? What is your identity? In a marketplace filled with so many people, in a room filled with so many people, we have to mention your name. What would we know you for? If you're to mention the name of Tayo Aina, you will know that he's a YouTuber that gives us travel content. If you're to mention Vicky James, you know she's a fashion designer and she does so many things as well, but you would know she's a fashion designer. If you're to mention Davido's name, you know he's an artist. If we're to mention your name, what do we know you for? This is one of the ways, this is the first question you ask yourself. First of all, know who you are, then think of ways to create your identity, to build yourself, to build your own unique brand. You need to answer the question, who are you? What is your identity? What do you stand for? What do you want people to know you for? What is that thing that you're doing that is kind of like different from every other person? You can be doing YouTube, but there's a way you do it. What is that way you do it? These are things that makes your signature. The way you do things, the way you talk, the way you handle things, the way you go about your branding. It's what makes you unique. It's what makes you stand out from the crowd. One of the best parts of self-rebranding is if we are to mention your name in a crowded room, people can easily identify you with what you're doing. And this is what we are talking about in today's video. Self rebranding, your own signature, your own unique voice, carving an identity for yourself. Carve a niche for yourself. Stand out from the crowd and build your own unique identity. This is the time to invest in yourself. Now, how do you do that? You do that by reading books, listen to healthy podcast session, surround yourself with the right people. The right people can either make or break you. So surround yourself with the right people. Invest in yourself, invest in a new skill. Okay, do this, carve an identity for yourself, and do not stop building yourself. This is the Oko Cheesy, and if this is your first time of stopping by my channel, please do not make it your last, and please become a part of this community by subscribing to the channel, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please like this video, subscribe, share to your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.